Alright, now we'll integrate the category feature into it. Whenever we go to the category and want to see the products in particular category, we should see only the product on that category. Alright, so that will be quite useful for the customer that comes to your website. Yeah, so let's jump into it. So I'll show you the schema. I have put that inside public folder. So basically what we are trying to do is we want to create the relationship between products table and categories table. So by the way, we need to create the categories table and this product categories table so that these two tables got many to many relationship, and one product can have many categories and so on. So we have installed Voyager and the Voyager comes with the default categories table. So we'll utilize that table, and we only need to create this product categories table with these two just to link these product and category by the ID. So if you see here in database, you already got this category table. Whenever we run the Voyager install command, it created the category. So this parent ID for to create this kind of drop down parent category and these child categories, multi-level drop down. You can create the multi-level drop down like this with help of parent ID, and this order just to order them which comes first, name, slug. So yeah, this is perfect. We don't need to create categories table. We only need product categories table. So let's go to terminal and create that table. PHP artisan make migration product. Alright, so this will create the product categories table migration. Let's go to product category migration. There we go. We just need two columns. One is unsigned big integer, product ID, and then categories ID, category ID. Because we already got this category table. So in product we got this big increment, and in categories we just got increment. So let's match up these. So unsigned big integer for that, unsigned integer for category ID, just to match the data type of foreign keys. Okay, once that is done, let's migrate to create that table. Let's run the migration command, php artisan migrate. Fair enough, we got that table. We should get that table now. Just to make sure you refresh, and there we go. We got this product categories table. Okay, so once all necessary tables are created, we need to make the feature so that admin can add the categories to products, or while creating product they can add categories to it. So let's go to admin panel, webmall.ts admin, and inside tools, bread. So we'll edit the product bread. And here we'll add a relationship, create a relationship, belongs to many relationship with category, pivot table is product category, so here we need to provide the fully qualified name for category model. Let's see if we got that model. So since this is the Voyager model, we need to supply, let's see where the category, so the category model is here. So by the way, I've just go to bread and then edit the bread for categories. Then you can just get the name of category model, which we can use here. So just in case if you are confused what I just did here, just go to tools bread, and here is category bread if you want to edit it. I just want to edit it so that I can get this name. I copied it over to this relationship here. Alright, so display the category name, allow tagging, let's see, category, everything looks okay, belongs to many, fair enough. So now let's add relationship. So successfully created new relationship for categories. Okay, so let's try to add or associate any categories to product. Before that, let's go to categories and create some categories. So by the way, I have created some categories like men. Let's delete these dummy one. Let's add new woman category. In order you can give anything. So if this is child, you can give parent name here. So I want to make this woman the top level, so I do not give parent ID, and I want to add new, let's say woman let's say cosmetics. So cosmetics for woman. Oops, I want to edit this cosmetics so that I can give the parent. So this cosmetics belongs to woman. Woman is the parent category, like so. And similarly this watch, yeah, watch is inside men, fair enough. So we created two main categories, woman and men. So this watch is inside men, child of men, and this cosmetics is child of woman. Similarly, you can create any branches, any level of parent child from here, no problem. You can create many categories. For now, let's just keep it simple, 2 main categories and 1 child each. So furthermore, if you want to create a child of this cosmetics, like let's say lipsticks, you can give the cosmetics the parent. So this lipstick is parent of cosmetic, and cosmetic is child of, sorry, lipstick is child of cosmetic, and cosmetics is child of woman. So you got 3 levels, and like so you can create. So I hope you get the idea. So once some categories are in place, let's go to products and try to assign products to some categories. You can do while adding, or you can do while editing. Let's see if we got categories field over here. So this belongs to, let's say, watch. You can assign multiple if you want. Save it. There we go. Similarly, while adding, you can add categories as well. There we go. Let's keep some just to test things out. Let's assign this to woman. Okay, let's see in database if we got these entry. Yeah, so we got all associations in place. There we go. We can see categories, woman, cosmetics, like so. Okay, so once we got everything associated, we need to display this on our front end. Let's go to our front here. So here we need to display these all categories that we just created. Currently these are just dummy, and whenever we click on these, it should take us to the categories page. So this is the home page. Let's go to editor and go to home.blade. So inside home.blade we got these all these static. Now we need to make these, pull everything from database. So let's get rid of these. So this is for single level, and for multiple level we got these. We got one link, and then we got drop down. Okay, so I will get rid of these. So these, so we just keep, let's refresh and see. So we just get rid of everything. We just keep one simple level and one multi-level. So we don't need these 3 levels. If you need, you can copy these, but I'll just try to make it very simple. Yeah, only 1 level. Okay, so let's pull them from database. Let's go to home controller, and in home controller first we need to pull in categories, all categories, category, let's get all. We need to import this class, yeah, Voyager category, import it. Actually let's dump if we can. We are getting all categories, yeah, we get everything. So what we'll need here is we want to group them by parent ID. So we only want to get the top level first, and then we'll get the child of those. Okay, so what we'll do here is we'll just get the top level categories only. So categories where parent ID, so where null, so where parent ID is null, we only want to get all categories which has just parent ID null. By this we'll know that these are the top level categories. We only need top level categories, and then we will loop through them and check if those top level categories got, sorry, it's get, if those top level categories got any children, and then we'll display those children. All right, so right now we have two categories, top level, men and women, and everything is inside them. All right, so once we get categories, we'll just pass that to view. There we go. And in home here, now we need to loop through them. And we just need one and loop through it like so. Yeah, then we got men and women. Perfect. So we just need to display this drop down if this category got child. All right, let's collapse it. So if category got child, then only we need to display this. So I want to check it like this. So category child or children. So I want to have something like this relationship, or you can just check it here by running manual query if you don't want to do much, like so. You can execute, although it is not good idea to execute query. Just for now I'll just display. So children, so children are, let's say children, we want to get children like so. So this category where so we want to get all categories where parent ID is equals to this category ID. So now we can check like this: if children is not empty, like so. If children is not empty, then we display like this. Let's check it out. Okay, and if we need to close this if statement with and if. There we go. So here, yeah. And now we need to loop through them and display the child as well. So men got watch, and inside watch you can display here. Woman got cosmetics, and inside cosmetic you can display them here. So more child you can display like this. So I got just snippet grant child. Let's say C. Cut it out, put it here. So here also we need to check if it got grandchild or not. Grandchild category where parent ID equals to this time child ID. So we want to only display if this grandchild is not empty. So if there are multiple level, it is going to be a bit hard. So right now we are running this query. For now it is fine, but if you don't want to do it, right now we are using Voyager, so we need to create our own category model and then overwrite it, and then you can put the relationship there called child, and then you can just simply do by that way. For now it is fine, just 2 queries. So we'll cache this category so it won't be the problem. Okay, so children is not empty. This time we should check grandchild is not empty. If grandchild is not empty, then display the grandchild. And instead of this we want to display real name, C name. Okay, so let's recap everything. We just pulled in all categories, all only parent categories, and we loop through all parent categories to get and display their name, and we get the children of those parent and display them here. And we again check if this got grandchild, and then we loop through them and then display it here. So men, watch, woman, cosmetic, lipsticks. Perfect. Okay, once that is done, what we need to do is next we need to, whenever someone clicks on these category, it should take them to the another page where we can where we can display all the categories. So let's create another route. So we got this product controller. We can utilize this controller to display. Let's create a new route. So we'll call it catalog, product catalog. This will display all the products, which will return view product. We don't have that. Product dot catalog. Now let's just utilize this index page. Return view product dot index. Okay, so this will display all the products. Of course, we need to get the product and then pass it. First, let's create this product dot index in resources views. Folder product. Inside this new file index.blade.php. So this page will be similar to for now it will be similar to the cart. We'll just copy this extend and section part because we will be extending same section and then end section. All products, and we need to define the route as well. Let's go route. Let's define resourceful route named product controller. Let's make it plural, products product controller. Okay, so let's go to home.blade and update the link. So this category name now should take them to route products.index. Of course, we need to pass query parameter like category ID so that we can know to display the category ID. And this route should be for everything else like this. This time just C. And also let's make this one a link as well, and like so. Child If you hit this thing, yeah, it should take us to the page, new page, all products, and here we need to display all the products for that category. We are getting this category ID from our query, and we need to just run the query and display all those products which belongs to category ID 4. Okay, so in index, let's get category ID. We get it from request category ID. So products, product, so first we need to establish relationship between product and categories, which we'll do in product so this time we'll need both relationship. You can establish like reverse and forward, like inverse relationship. And here what we need is, first we get the category from this, and then what we'll do is just simply do category products. This will be a lot easier, right? So let's do that. So for that we need to establish this products relationship in category model. So right now category model is not in our control, that is from Voyager. What we need to do is we need to override that file. We need to create our own category class and then use that. So that is pretty simple to do. Go to command line php artisan make model. Let's create a category model. There we go, we got category, and this will extend to Voyager's category model. This one, models category. Yeah, everything else will be same, and we need to tell our application that Voyager should use that model for category. So this we need to put in app service provider. App service provider, they tell us to put this inside register, and this time we want to replace the category. So name of model is category, that's right, and our model name is also category, but it is inside app category. Fine. So that's it. Now Voyager will know that we need to use, for this category we need to use this category model, custom model. Perfect. Now we have control over all category related features. So let's go to category, and here let's establish a relationship. So the relationship will be products. Category got products, right? Belongs to many, since it is man to man relationship, belongs to many product class, and table name is product category product. Yeah, we give name product categories, although it is convention to give singular. Yeah, it's fine for now. Product categories, product. So this is the table name we give for pivot table. So everything else is the standard stuff. We don't need to give other foreign constant. Now let's test that out in product controller. First, let's find the category. This will do only if we got category ID. So category products. So if we got category ID, then we'll show the products for that particular category. Otherwise, we'll just display product. Let's take 10 product and display those for now, and just pass that compact products. There we go. So in product index view, just loop through B for each product, or we can make one parcel for displaying products and display like that, because we are already doing that on home page. We are displaying products, looping through all products like this. We can utilize this parcel view. Yeah, so let's cut this out and create one parcel view. So from home we let's create new file, single product. Let's say single product dot plate.php. And in home, just include single product, and just use that same thing in our product index.blade. Yeah, so all product is now displaying the product instead of all product. Let's prefix it with request. Instead of request, we just want category name. So if that is available, fine, otherwise just null. Category name, which we need to pass it from product controller. Product controller, not admin one, this one. Category name null. So here we'll override that category name with actual category name, if that exists. Okay, watch products. Woman cosmetics. Yeah, cosmetics product. So currently lipstick doesn't got any product. Let's go to admin panel and assign one product to lipstick as well. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, here one thing to note, if we do like this category products, then this will only get the products assigned to that particular category. It doesn't fetch the category in the all childs. For example, if someone does want to see the products related to men, that should see the products related to all other categories, all other child categories to men. For example, it should see products that are directly assigned to men, as well as plus products assigned to this watch as well. So for that we need to write one custom function. We can write one function like this. Let's see, all products, like this. Instead of this, let's create this function inside category class. Category all products. So we got category, so this category will, yeah, so here we have to check if this category got child. For that, let's define another relationship, child return this has many. So this will reference to same class, category class, and related by parent ID. So this is nice way to link to self-referencing relationship. So this will just check if this got a child. So let's type dump this. So whenever we go to men, yeah, so we are getting the men category, perfect. And if we go do like this child, this should give us the watch. Let's see. Yeah, giving us watch. Okay, to get all products, what I have done is first initialize an empty collection. So just initialized empty collection, and then we get the main category product, like so. These products will give the all products for main category, and then I have concatenated this empty collection, this main category into this product. So concatenated all the collection into this. Now all products contains all the main products. Similarly, I have checked if this got children. So if children is not empty, then we'll loop through all children and then concatenate all the children's product into the all products, and then we'll simply return all products, like so. So we're die dumping, which will give us all the product. Okay, just return it, and here we get all products, and we pass that products there, and we display that on view. There we go. Yeah, so we can see all the products for that category, including child and main category. All right, so right now it is displaying like so. let's display them a bit nicely. So let's go to product index, and looks like we need to wrap this inside this div, and now it will show us in 2 row, yeah, like so. Okay, let's go and check if everything else is working, like watch. Yeah, I know right now it is ridiculous, so just to test thing out, I just displayed watch products, or you can just display watch, and you can do minor tweaks. There is room for improvement. So yeah, so this is how we display categories and all category product. So hope you liked it. I'll see you on another video. Bye.